Hi guys, this will be a little walkthrough of how I did the graphic to do these earrings. So we're going to do this real quick in pixlr.com on the Pixlr software. If you come to pixlr.com, it's free to use. So let me go back here. Once you get here to this page, click Pixlr E, click the first one. And here click create new, and then make sure it is on full HD, and then you could name it here. I'm just going to name it Nautica, and then create. If you come in, if this is your first time using Pixlr, it may be on the black screen. If you come up to view, and you can toggle from light to dark. So it comes with its own fonts. So the font for this is called the bold font, and I have it on my computer. I gotta go up here and add it. I add a local font. So let me go to grab my font. I gotta go do it I can't do it from here, so I gotta pause and go grab it. So now I'm not in the program, I'm on my computer, my Windows. So go navigate to Windows, go to your font folder. And mine's going to take a while, so I need to pause again because I have a lot of fonts. So I'm in here now, I just need to scroll down to find the bold font. I need to key it in up here. Here it is. Then I just send it to the desktop. You can just drag and drop it to your desktop. Dropped it to the desktop. Now we go back into Pixlr. And now we can add the local font. There it is. Click it and open it. And now it's there. So you click that, you want to work with that. We had already made a text box. If you just click the text box here, it'll put a box over there for you. And then you click in there. And this is what it looks like. So now we're going to increase the size of this. I want to go ahead and make it into, let's see. They changed some stuff around in here. I was just beginning to learn this to help people out. So they changed some stuff around in here. So it might take a minute to get it. I know we can drag it this way. But it used to be right up here where I could change the size. Let's go to adjustment. Nope. So let me see where it's at real quick. So let me pause again. I guess when I clicked over here, it took it away. So if you just click back on text, it should pop back up. So you can come up here and change the size. You're gonna have to drag this box back out though. So you can change the size, and you can also up here you can change the spacing. letter spacing here. You can spread them apart or you can slide them together. Let me move this out the way. So again, you can spread them apart or slide them together. So I'm going to make sure they almost touch. Okay, with that, we're going to go up edit and we're going to, we want to duplicate this layer. So duplicate layer. So now we have, if you look over here, it made a duplicate of the layer. So for the layer that we're on now, let's go ahead and make that white. And let's go on the back layer. You could do this on one layer, so it doesn't matter, but I'm just going to do it in two for now. So with this layer, let's step back. Let's do it on the first layer. So on this layer that you made white, let's go up and let's go edit and we gotta make this, we gotta raster this. So layer, raster layer, so it can make it an image file. So now once you raster it, you cannot go back and change your letters or anything. So make sure you have everything spelled the way you need it and you have it laid out the way you need it. So once you do that, then you can go edit and then you can add a stroke to this or an outline. You can make the outline as big as you want or as small as you want. I'm going to go with about this and apply. Then I'm going to take and get the marquee tool and I'm going to select just a little bit of that white area. Edit, copy, edit, paste. And then I'm going to fill that with, let's see, image, edit, fill, and let's fill it with the same color there. So apply. And then click on your selector tool. And I don't like this puts this big, you see this big box, it's a big box around this. And if you don't want to, if that aggravates you like it does me, you just take it, you select the marquee tool here and then click edit and then cut, edit, and paste. And it'll get rid of that. It'll go back to this. So then I take and slide that here. And the reason why I do this is because if you don't, you'll lose that centerpiece for your A. It needs to be attached. So then just edit, copy, edit, paste to do the other A. Now you have the centerpiece for the A. Now you want to select everything, Control A, and then you want to merge visible. Now once you do that, then you can take the wand, the magic wand, or you could do it in Cricut, or you can go ahead and do it in here. You take the magic wand and just take out, let's see, what is it doing? Control D to deselect magic wand, and then just select all the white and delete it. Control D. And then you save this as a PNG. Oh, it's locked it. You save it as a PNG file, pull it into your Cricut, and this will be use the same piece or the same shape. You don't need to do an outline or anything. This is the top piece, the back piece, the middle layer piece, everything. You just use this one piece. So if you just layer, if you duplicate it, duplicate, edit, transform, horizontal flip. So now you have two pieces, your front and your back piece, and then you just take and duplicate another one to make your layers. That's all. I hope this helps.